In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quote in Gmail. This handy skill can elevate your email game, making your responses more clear and concise, especially when you're discussing multiple points or need to refer to specific parts of a previous email. Let's dive right in. First things first, to begin quoting text in your Gmail, you'll need to access your inbox. So, navigate to Gmail and make sure you're signed in. Once there, your screen will be filled with any recent emails. This is your starting point. The next step is to click on Compose. You might already be familiar with this button. It's typically located in the top left corner of your screen. Clicking this opens a new window or tab, depending on your settings, where you can start drafting a new email. It's a blank slate for you to fill. Now, as you're composing this new email, let's say there's a specific part of another email you want to quote directly. This is where you'll need to find and click on the formatting options, symbolized by an uppercase A. You'll typically find this option in the toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. This toolbar helps you format your email with various options like font size, type, color, and more. Once you've clicked on formatting options, look for the drop-down arrow icon. This might sound a bit tricky, but it's usually right in that formatting toolbar. This arrow will open up even more formatting options for you to choose from, so you can make your email look exactly the way you want it to. Among these newly revealed options, you'll find the quote icon. It's often represented by a quotation mark or might even simply say quote. When you click on this, you're telling Gmail that you want to insert a quoted section of text into your email. This is particularly useful for referencing previous conversations or pointing out specific details from another email without having to paraphrase or summarize unnecessarily. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly does this quoting work? Well, when you select text from another email that you've received or sent and then choose the quote function, Gmail understands that this text is different from the rest of your message. It visually distinguishes this quoted text, usually by changing its format or indenting it, allowing the recipient of your email to easily see what part of the message is quoted from another source and what's newly written by you. This feature can significantly enhance the clarity of your emails, especially in lengthier discussions or when precise details matter. It provides a clear, visual distinction between your thoughts and the quoted text, making it much easier for the recipient to follow along. A few additional tips can help ensure your quoted emails are as effective as possible. First, when quoting, make sure you only include the most relevant parts of the previous message. Quoting excessively can make your email lengthy and difficult to navigate. Second, consider introducing the quote with a brief explanation or comment for context. This can be particularly helpful if the quotation doesn't immediately speak for itself in the context of your current message. And finally, remember, quoting should enhance your communication, making it clearer and more effective. If quoting a piece of text adds confusion instead of clarity, it might be worth rewording your message or finding another way to reference the previous email. That wraps up our tutorial on how to quote in Gmail. Quoting can be a powerful tool in your email communication arsenal, useful for maintaining clarity, context, and continuity in your conversations. With practice, it will become second nature. I hope this video has been helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or additional tips you might have in the comments below. Happy emailing, and see you in our next tutorial.